Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust your multiple audio files and adjust fade and sync as well on Canva in a pretty easy process. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva project that you want to edit and then just go here to the upload section and look for the audio that you want to edit. But if you haven't uploaded it, just go here to upload files and upload your audio. So after you are done uploading your audio file, so just click on it and drag it to the slide that you want to add to. I'll just select this one, and this one. It's a random audio. So let's just say I want to extend it a bit. So just select the audio files here and click on it. So it's just a 2-second audio. So if it's like long enough, you can just extend your audio file as you wish, like you can cut it as you wish. So if you want to fade it, just click on the audio file and you will see the option for fade, like fade in and fade out. And if you want to like sync it, just go here to the bit sync option. Like it's too short, you need like more than 5 seconds of audio to like sync it. So that's it. That's how you to like adjust multiple audio files and like make them fade and like sync together. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.